Types of sports vocabulary in English. Shooting. Shooting. Shooting helps you focus. Shooting helps you focus. Equestrian. Equestrian. Equestrian is about riding horses. Equestrian is about riding horses. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. She does gymnastics. She does gymnastics. Podium. Podium. They received their medals on the podium. They received their medals on the podium. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. She practices weightlifting every day. She practices weightlifting every day. Volunteer. Volunteer. Volunteers help people and work for free. Volunteers help people and work for free. Boxing. Boxing. Boxing matches are exciting. Boxing matches are exciting. Team. Team. Every country has a team. Every country has a team. Rugby. Rugby. In rugby, you can run with the ball. In rugby, you can run with the ball. Table tennis. Table tennis. They enjoy playing table tennis. They enjoy playing table tennis. Skateboard. Skateboard. He loves skateboarding. He loves skateboarding. Cheer. Cheer. We cheer for our team. We cheer for our team. Basketball. Basketball. He shoots the basketball into the hoop. He shoots the basketball into the hoop. Torch. Torch. The torch is lit for the Olympics. The torch is lit for the Olympics. Tennis. Tennis. She is a great tennis player. She is a great tennis player. Running. Running. He likes running. He likes running. Stadium. Stadium. The stadium has many people. The stadium has many people. Archery. Archery. He hit the bullseye in archery. He hit the bullseye in archery. Champion. Champion. The champion wins the gold medal. The champion wins the gold medal. Surfing. Surfing. He rides waves when surfing. He rides waves when surfing. Flag. Flag. Each country has its own flag. Each country has its own flag. Badminton. Badminton. She practices badminton every day. She practices badminton every day. Medal. Medal. Winners get a gold, silver, or bronze medal. Winners get a gold, silver, or bronze medal. Climbing. Climbing. I like to go climbing. I like to go climbing. Coach. Coach. A coach helps athletes. A coach helps athletes. Athlete. Athlete. An athlete is someone who plays sports. An athlete is someone who plays sports. Sport. Sport. My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite sport is soccer. 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 They wear special shoes for soccer. They wear special shoes for soccer. Diving. Diving. Diving into the pool is cool. Diving into the pool is cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.